Week 8 question number 7 asks you to calculate a PLV based on the estimates in the case. So we're spending $1.2 million on a direct mail piece, and we're going to reach 2 million prospects. Only 0.002% of those reached will take advantage of the introductory offer, but there's a substantial amount of money to be made, $1,000 in an initial margin, and then $28,200 in CLV for each of those customers should they elect to become customers. But we want to find out whether this direct mail piece indeed has a positive PLV based on these particular estimates. So what we're going to do is we're going to take our acquisition rate, which is 0.002% or 0.00002. We're going to multiply that by our initial margin of $1,000 plus our CLV of $28,200. And then we're going to subtract our acquisition spend. Your acquisition spend is on a per prospect basis. So in this case, we spent $1.2 million to reach 2 million prospects. So per prospect, that's costing us 60 cents. So again, executing the math, 0.584 minus 0.6 yields a negative number, so it's not a positive prospect lifetime value. Now, do you pull the plug? Like once you see, okay, it's not a positive PLV, we're going to pull the plug and not execute? Not necessarily. Take a look to see, well, is there any way we can reduce the cost on the direct mail piece? That certainly might change the picture. Perhaps in our customer lifetime value, we're not including the fact that each customer that we have on average refers another customer to us. So not only are we getting that $28,200 in lifetime value from that customer, but they're also referring their friends and family that are worth a pile of money to us, also changing the picture. So it's not as cut and dry as saying it's a negative number, we're not going to pursue the acquisition strategy. It's a way to compare acquisition strategies, and it's a good start.